Hi, this is me. I'm Adelina and I'm 16 years old. I live in Galați and I'm in the 10th grade at the National College Alexandru Ioan Cuza. I'm a tall woman with a long blonde and straight hair. I wear all types of clothes, sport, fashionable and casual clothes. My family. I love my family, which consists of my older sister, my mother and my father. I'm the youngest. Qualities. A quality is that I could quickly get attached to people and places appreciated by me. People can rely on me when I make a promise. I'm a down-to-earth person. My other qualities are humility, kindness, diligence, honesty. I have sense of humor, calmness, and perseverance. Defects. Among my defects include the shyness, uh, stubbornness, impatience. I'm irritable and naughty at times. Like and dislike. I enjoy doing sports, outdoor activities, taking photos, wandering on streets, meeting my friends. I like comedies and romantic books. I hate long rainy days and I don't like it when people are not punctually and when they don't keep their promise. Future plans. In the future, I want to work in medicine. Being a doctor is a fascinating one when where each patient is an enormous responsibility and the change that tests your limits and makes your become increasingly beating your own best performance. In conclusion, I'm a complicated person, a possibility, and at the same time, as usually. Bye!